Most people use Claude like ChatGPT, but they are missing the features that make it a true AI assistant. Let's break down all 10 Claude Cowork features in this video. 10 features, 1 AI tool. And most people using Claude are probably only using a fraction of what Cowork can actually do. Because Claude Cowork is not just a chat window, it is designed to help you plan, execute, and complete real tasks. So let's go feature by feature and understand what each one does. The first feature, Agentic execution. This is the core feature of Claude Cowork. Instead of giving Claude small instructions one at a time, you can give it a goal. For example, instead of saying, summarize this document, create a spreadsheet, make a presentation, you can simply say, analyze this information and prepare a presentation for my meeting. Claude can understand the objective, break the task into smaller steps, and work through the process. The biggest difference is that you are not just asking questions anymore, you are delegating work. The next feature is work across devices. Cowork allows you to continue your workflow from different devices. You can start a task on your computer, check the progress later, and continue from another device. Your work stays connected, so you don't have to restart a project every time you switch devices. This makes Claude more useful for tasks that take longer than few minutes. Feature number 3. Background task execution. Some tasks require time. Analyzing a large number of files, organizing information, or creating detailed reports are not always instant. With Cowork, you can start a task and allow Claude to continue working while you focus on something else. Instead of sitting and waiting for every response, Claude can keep making progress in the background. Feature number 4. Direct file access. One of the biggest advantages of Cowork is how it handles files. Normally, using AI means uploading files manually every time. With Cowork, Claude can work directly with your files through the desktop experience. You can ask Claude to review documents, organize folders, analyze information, or create new files based on your existing data. It removes a lot of unnecessary uploading and downloading. Feature number 5. Sub-agent coordination. For bigger projects, Claude can divide the work into smaller tasks. For example, a research project might need information gathering, analysis, writing, and formatting. Instead of completing everything step by step in one process, Claude can coordinate different parts of the task. Think of it like having multiple AI assistants working together to complete one big project. Feature number 6. Professional outputs. Claude Cowork is designed to create more than simple text responses. It can help generate practical work outputs like structured spreadsheets, formatted documents, presentation slides, business reports. The goal is not just giving you a draft, the goal is creating something closer to a finished deliverable that you can actually use. Feature number 7. Edit drafts in place. Editing becomes much faster with this feature. If Claude creates a document and you only want to change one section, you don't need to explain the entire request again. You can select a specific part and ask Claude to modify it. For example, make this paragraph shorter, or rewrite this in a professional tone, or add more details here. Claude updates that exact section instead of rebuilding everything. Feature number 8. Long-running tasks. Some work cannot be completed in a few seconds. Large research tasks, document analysis, and complex workflows need multiple steps. Cowork is designed to handle these longer tasks without being limited to a short conversation. This makes it more suitable for real workplace projects. Feature number 9, Schedule Tasks. Cowork can also help automate repetitive workflows. Instead of manually asking Claude every day or every week, you can schedule recurring tasks. For example, create a weekly report, summarize updates every Monday, review information regularly. This helps turn Claude from a tool you use normally into an assistant that helps manage repeated work. Feature number 10, Plugins. Plugins allow Claude to become more specialized for different workflows. Instead of starting from scratch, plugins can add specific skills, tools, and connections based on the type of work you do. For example, someone in sales, product management, research, or operations can customize Claude around their daily tasks. One more thing before you start using Cowork. You control how much independence Claude has. Manual mode allows Claude to ask for approval before actions. Automatic modes allow Claude to continue with fewer interruptions while still following safety checks. The right option depends on the type of task and how much control you want. So those are the 10 major Claude Cowork features. The biggest shift is simple. Claude is moving from an AI that answers questions to an AI that helps complete work. Instead of only asking, "Can you help me with this?" you can start thinking, "Can you take care of this for me?" Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.